Hello guys, how is going on? I'm Sujit Patel. Welcome to my YouTube channel Marketing Mindset and this review video of Simple Affiliate Machines. Okay, and we'll go through this product today and we'll see what does this product offer and what are the bonuses you'll be getting as a part of my bonus and my offer on this product. Okay, so you'll be getting, let me drag it to here. Okay, so we'll see what are the feature it provides and what are the bonuses you will be getting as a part of this product. So I am in the members area of Simple Affiliate Machines, and I'll take you through in detail one by one, and we'll see what does it provide. So in nutshell, what a Simple Affiliate Machines is, it is completely done for you sales funnels for you, so that you can immediately start promoting your product by driving traffic to these sales funnels and created by them. So once you purchase this, you'll be getting all the access to all these products, and you can start promoting right away. Okay, so before going to this members area, I'll take you to my bonus page and I'll show you what are the bonuses you'll be getting as a part of this offer. Okay, so let's jump to the computer screen and the bonus page, and we'll see what are the bonuses you'll be getting. Okay, so this is my bonus page, and you can see the Simple Affiliate Machines Sujit's bumper bonus bundle, and this product will be released on 4th of November, 11 a.m. EST. Okay, and this bonus page will go down in 3 days, 3 hours and 25 minutes, and until this number hits to 0, this bonus page will be off and running. All my bonuses will be there. Okay, so after this hits to 0, all the bonuses will be taken out from this page, so which I obviously I do not want you guys to miss you out. Okay, so I'll show you the bonuses, whatever bonuses you'll be getting. As I explained, the Simple Affiliate Machines is providing you 15 done for you funnels uh, for you to promote products right away when you purchase it by driving traffic to you. Even if you purchase the front end, they will be getting 15 done for you funnels for that. Okay, so as a part of this offer, you'll be getting the bonus number 1 as access to Aurora Pro, and Aurora Pro we will explain to how to earn commissions from big ticket affiliate commissions and how to promote them and convert them. So it will be explained in this Aurora Pro, and you will be getting the unlimited Pro version of this. Okay, bonus number 2 will be, you'll be getting 3 ways to monetize from CTA bots, the call to action bots, and it will be explained in this tutorial or this product. Okay, and bonus number 3, you will be getting 40 high quality lead magnets to build your list quickly. So you'll be getting 40 high quality lead magnets to build your list to promote affiliate products to your list. Okay, and you know the money is in the list, and the content is king, and money is in the list. Okay, bonus number 4, you'll be getting Eclipse, and Eclipse is a product which will allow you and teach you how to siphon traffic from gurus, and it will and promote your product to your offers. So this technique will be shown in this product. Okay, and affiliate bonus number 5 is all the vendor bonuses, whatever they have given, I'll give it to you. Okay, so even if you will purchase the front end of this Simple Affiliate Machines, which cost $12.95, you'll be getting all my bonuses for 100% free. And just I'll remind you, this first one, the Aurora Pro, is for 24 hours only, so you need to take action before 24 hours, and it will be taken off from this bonus page. You have to click on this link pay, and this any of the red button here, and you can come to this sales page. And this product is created by Ryan Mack and James Kennedy, one of my friends. Okay, and this is the sales page. You can go through in detail. I'll just scroll it um, from the top, and so you'll be getting 100% completely done for you. No domains, website or hosting needed. Perfectly for even the most basic newbies. Webinar on how to earn a six-figure income online. People just like you are making money with this right now. 30 days money back guarantee they are offering. Okay, so at least you can earn $283.65 per day as per them. So you can earn more as well, or based on your traffic, whatever traffic will be driving to this offer. Okay. Okay, now I'm on the members area of Simple Affiliate Machines, and we'll see what we'll be getting here. And they are saying free advanced training. Make your sign up to our exclusive webinar, free advanced training. Learn how Jono generates $80,000 to $150,000 every month using a simple rinse and repeat system, plus get a free $100 a day checklist just for attending this webinar. So once you purchase, you'll be getting this a link and access to the webinar and learn how Jono Armstrong earn $80,000 to $150,000 every month. Okay, and he will teach you and take you through in the webinar. And last chance before we get into the training, I wanted to give you last chance to grab these upgrades that will really help take you to the next level. So if you have not purchased, then you'll be getting access to the OTOs, the upgrade also here. And now these are the actual products and the funnels, that 15 funnels they have listed here to for you, even if you buy the front end, which cost $12.95, I believe. Yeah. And these are the funnels, and we'll be getting FE sales page, FE download page, upsells page view, offset download page review, preview, and get your funnel link. So these are already done for you and ready to go. Okay. And the product is modern podcasting, the traffic handbook, Bitcoin breakthrough, intermittent fasting formula. These are the products you have to promote. Choose to lead, boost your online sales, supercharge your body, affiliate marketing profit kit, fit in 15, SEO split testing, muscles building 101, organized life, and vegan diet, law of attraction code. So for these products, already funnels are created. So you'll be getting access to those funnels to promote these products uh, to the list and the traffic to your traffic, whatever way you will be promoting. Okay. And the last one is diabetic clarity. So in all the niches, they have products. So there are 15 already done for you funnels are there. You'll be getting access to this and right away, and you can start promoting your product and earn money. Okay, so that's what this product is about. And now I will take you to my bonus page again, and I'll explain to you about the upgrades. So now I'm on the sales page again, and you can go through this sales page in detail. Okay, later on, and I'm just scrolling through you, and some of the testimonials are there. When you click on this and the red button, then it will take you to the purchase page, and when you click on that, you will purchase, and you will come to I'll get this product. And this product is created by Ryan Mack and James Kennedy, one of my friends. And this is my bonus page, and even if you pick up this front end, which costs $12.95, you will be getting all my bonuses for free, 100% free. Okay, and you have to act on for this countdown hits to 0. So when you click on this button, and it will go to sales page and purchase it, then you will be getting one email. And when you click on the link on your email, you will be taking you'll be coming to this page on the Warrior Plus. When you click on this blue button, you'll be getting all my bonuses, whatever I explained on that bonus page. And when you click on this access your purchase, then you will be getting access to this members area and will getting your product to ready to promote. Okay, so let's go through the upgrades without wasting time. And these are the upgrades you can see. And the upgrade one is simple affiliate machines, which the pro version, which costs $37, and the downsell is $27, and you'll be getting 10 more complete funnels you will have access to. Upsell number 2 is monthly money machines, which cost $14.95 per month, and they will provide 4 new funnels every month. Okay. Upsell number 3 is training call and email access, which costs $77, and downsell of $57. Unlimited access to Rian's Max personal email address for 6 months and 1 hour of coaching if you get this full $77. And if you purchase the downsell, which is downsell unlimited access to Rian Max personal email address for 6 months. Okay, and upsell number 4 is reseller rights, which is that costs $97 and downsell of $67 to get commissions across the entire simple affiliate machines funnel plus 100% across 4 other funnels and commissions across other 3 funnels. So you'll be getting 100% commissions if you promote this product and you make sales, then you'll be getting 100% of commissions okay, to your account. And option number 5 is complete done for you, that is cost $697 and downsell of $497. But what it provides is they will provide a complete package of this product and how they are promoting and selling that product on Warrior Plus. They'll provide that package to you so that you can also launch your product and make money online. Okay, and generate sales and make money online. Complete custom done for you product, including sales pages, members area, and JV pages with 3 OTOs created as well, added to your server and linked to your Warrior Plus account. So they will be linking to your Warrior Plus account as well. And the downsell is 5 is complete custom done for your product, including sales page, members area, and JV pages with 2 OTOs. Here it is 3 OTOs created as well, and it is not mentioned here they will be linking to Warrior Plus or not, but that you can do yourself, that's fine, you can do also. And here are the key benefits: 100% completely done for you, no domains were required, website required, no website required or hosting needed. They have done for you everything. You are ready to go and promote your product and earn commissions. Perfect for even the most basic newbies. Webinar on how to earn 6-figure income online. People just like you are making money with this right now. 30-day money back guarantee also they are providing. Okay, so click on this any of the red button here and you can go to the sales page, okay, and purchase it. So to come to this my bonus page, click on the link below first in the description area of this review video and it will take you to the my bonus page, and then click on this red button to go to the sales page and purchase it. Okay, so that's what it provides, and they are saying you will be at least earning $283.65 per day. They might be earning now, you can earn more also based on your traffic, whatever you will drive. Okay, I think I have taken to you through this all this stuff of this product, and you can purchase it using my link, which is provided below in this description area of this review video. And then you will, once you purchase this, you will be getting access to this members area for $15 for you funnels or for your sales to promote and earn money throughout the funnels. Okay, so that's what it is, their product is, and I think it is very good. Who do not want to host websites or make any investment on hosting all those stuff, and you can directly getting access to all those sales funnels, and you can directly go for promoting your products and generate commissions from your products. Okay, That's the product is about, and you have to click on this link and this red button on my bonus page to go to the sales page and purchase it. So this brings to the end of this video, and I hope you liked it, and take actions online, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, you guys take care and bye bye. Thank you.